Okay, now I have my Sonophone 3 with the Leak Expert app opened up. On the top, we have a it's a frequency domain graph, so a spectrogram. We're set up for heterodyne mixing at 40 kilohertz. My sensor is a BS10 Airborne Ultrasound Detector. We got about 110 PSI on the system. And it is air. And I have the large cone, which will pick up ultrasound over a larger area and from further away. So this is the cone that you start off with. As you can see, if I just move around the room, my decibel level, it stays at 50, 40, 50, maybe 60 at the most. And also, there's a little bit of audio coming out of the device as well. So as we start to pick up air leaks, that audio will start to increase in sound and our decibel level will come up. So we sweep the room. And you notice we're jumping up. And I don't know if you can hear it or not, but we are getting a hiss out of the unit indicating that there's an air leak. And as we start moving closer, you can see the decibel level climbing quite a bit there. We started at about 40. Now we're up to 75, and also you can look at the spectrogram. It's going pretty red up there at about 100 kilohertz. So that's topping out. And so now that we know that we have a leak in this area, what we're going to do is we're going to change from the larger cone, and we are going to go to the point detector. The sniffer, and we'll be able to get a precise location on that So once again, let me get the device in my hand. And as I start sniffing around we look for the highest point. .97. So about 96 there. So right where the tape is, that's the source of my leak. So I can go ahead and take a measurement at that point. See if I can do this all with one hand here. Alright, I've got a measurement. And it's showing that that leak is a 0.44 cubic feet per minute leak. So we could do the math and figure out what that would cost over any given amount of time. Then the nice thing is we can use the unit, since it is an Android platform, we can actually take a picture. So I touch the camera icon, and so it's going to bring the camera up. Give it a second here. Okay, so I can go ahead and take a picture, which I will do. Okay, now that I have a picture, I can actually add a marker. And I can move the marker right over where the leak is. I can go ahead and say OK. And now it is saved. And that goes into the folder which happens to be RKT at this point, and all my any reading I take at this point will be saved into that folder. So this concludes the demonstration on detecting air leaks using both ultrasound and infrared. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration and have a good day. Thank you.